What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be taking a first look at the brand new Sony Xperia XZ3. This new flagship is brand new on the market, providing with some insane specs, a really cool looking design, new features, possibly also a better camera performance and much more. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the first look video of the Xperia XZ3. The first and probably the most important selling point of the XZ3 is the 6-inch Quad HD display with 16 million colors. The resolution is 1440 by 2880 I believe, and the phone has about 530 ppi. The display is an OLED display and apparently it's absolutely brilliant. Now Sony is well known for their incredible displays, but this year they have completely outdone themselves. This is apparently one of the best displays on the market right now, as Sony claims, and in my opinion it looks quite good as well. Now the previous version, the Sony Xperia XZ2, basically announced something that came with it called the loop design. Basically the back of this phone was slightly curved, but not the front, only the back. With the new XZ3, there are both sides are slightly curved. So you have the back that's slightly curved and you also have the front that is also slightly curved, making it a slightly curved phone. They did this because it will allow a better user experience. The phone will be more comfortable to use, the design will apparently look better, and the phone will sit better in the hand. The phone also offers the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, along with 4 GB of RAM, a 3300 mAh battery, 64 GB of storage, which is also expandable via the micro SD card slot. Unfortunately, the phone does not have a headphone jack, but there is a spectacular 19 megapixel rear camera. Unfortunately, the camera is only singular, which means that basically you won't be able to take portrait photos unless they will develop something with a singular camera. It's kind of surprising to me that the phone only has a single camera instead of the rear dual camera setup that we are seeing basically everywhere on every single flagship. The phone will also feature quick charge along with that 33 mAh battery, which will make everything just a tiny bit better. The new and upgraded front-facing camera is now 13 megapixels. The 13 megapixel camera will allow you to shoot incredible photos and videos, and just like with all Sony Xperia XZ devices, just like the XZ2, the Xperia XZ3 will be able to shoot incredible slow motion video at 960 frames per second in 1080p. That is absolutely mind-blowing. The back sensor has an aperture of f2.0, which will allow you to get some really nice images as well as nice colors. The phone will come with Android 9.0, Android Pie, but unfortunately the phone will not have either an iris scanner or facial recognition, which is really weird and confusing because this phone at the end of the day is marked at 800 euros, which is about 950, maybe around that, dollars, which is really expensive, and for that price I would definitely expect either an iris scanner or face unlock, if not both. With the new Sony Xperia XZ3, Sony introduced SideSense. This is a feature that will allow you to basically double tap the curved edge, and that will the curved screen, basically the side of the phone, and that will bring up the most recent or the most used app at the time of day. Basically, if you're on your commute to work, you will be most likely watching some YouTube videos, therefore the SideSense will recommend YouTube. If you're at lunch, maybe it will recommend WhatsApp or Facebook. Basically, the phone will learn at what time you want or use something and then recommend it back to you. It reminds me of iPhone's Siri suggestions app at the top of the spotlight feature, and essentially it is the exact same thing. The phone was announced on August 30th, the phone will be released on October 5th, but right now Amazon here in Europe is taking pre-orders, and the phone is going for right around 800 or 799 euros, which equates to, as I said, about $950. And with that, you also receive a free 64GB micro SD card as a gift for basically pre-ordering and supporting the company. I'm kind of confused with this flagship. It's nothing special, it has a big price point, and in my opinion, Sony is headed downhill. I will make a detailed video on why I think this, but please let me know what you think about this latest Sony product, the Sony Xperia XZ3, in the, again, comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely drop it a like, and I'll see you all next time.